everybody, to another episode of the Wondrous World, where we explore remarkable facets of our world and beyond. I'm your host, Jasper, your guide on this journey of discovery. Today, we're venturing far beyond the confines of our planet and even our solar system. We're tracing the path of two incredible emissaries of humanity that have ventured into the uncharted vastness of interstellar space. Yes, as you know, we're talking about the Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft. Launched in the late 1970s, these twin spacecraft have expanded our knowledge to the outer planets and have given us our first taste of the space beyond our solar system. Today, over 4 decades later, they continue to communicate with us, sending us valuable data from billions of miles away. From their grand tour of the outer planets to the profound legacy they have left behind, this episode will take you on an exciting journey, following the footsteps of these remarkable explorers. So, to truly appreciate the Voyager missions, we need to go back in time, back to a period when our understanding of the outer planets was quite limited. In the early 1970s, Jupiter and Saturn were as far as our spacecraft had traveled. Their mysteries were only beginning to be unraveled by the Pioneer 10 and 11 missions, our first messengers to the outer planets. But beyond Saturn, well, that was largely uncharted territory. Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, then considered a planet, were mere specks of light even in the most powerful telescopes. The desire to explore these remote corners of our solar system was strong, but the challenge was formidable. One key opportunity opened up. An event that occurs only once every 175 years, a rare alignment of the outer planets, and let us say a lucky alignment with our technology at the time, happened right around the mid-1970s. This would allow the spacecraft to use gravity assist to slingshot from one planet to the other, reducing travel time and saving energy. This was a big opportunity, too good to pass up. NASA began planning a grand tour of the outer planets. Budget cuts later forced NASA to scale back, and the grand plans to a more modest but still ambitious pair of missions, the Voyager 1 and 2. With that, the stage was set for one of the most epic journeys in history of space exploration. Now, while we had some idea of the beauty and complexity that awaited us beyond Saturn, thanks to ground-based observations, the reality was shrouded in mystery and colored by speculation. There were theories. For instance, it was thought that Uranus and Neptune were icy gas giants, smaller and colder versions of Jupiter and Saturn. There were questions about their potential moons and rings, their atmospheric conditions, and precise composition of their gaseous envelopes. And then, of course, there was Pluto, the small, distant world that puzzled astronomers since its discovery in 1930. Its size, its composition, its atmosphere were all subjects of intense debate. The more scientists pondered these distant worlds, the more tantalizing they became. How accurate were these theories? Could there be surprising phenomena waiting to be discovered? Maybe aliens? The only way to know was to go there, to see these worlds up close. And so, the anticipation and eagerness to explore these realms grew. The Voyagers were destined to be our eyes and ears, bringing us to these distant worlds into focus for the first time. With an eye on the cosmic opportunity offered by planetary alignment, the challenge was now to design a mission capable of such a vast journey. Enter the Voyager spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Despite their names, Voyager 2 was actually launched first on August 20th, 1977, followed by Voyager 1 on September 5th. Voyager 1 was set on a faster, more direct path to the outer planets, hence its numbering. Each Voyager spacecraft was about the size of a small car, weighing in at just under a ton. They were loaded up with cutting-edge technology of the time, including a suite of 10 scientific instruments designed to study the planets and their moons in unprecedented detail. They carried cameras, spectrometers, magnetometers, and particle detectors, each instrument playing a vital role in understanding the different aspects of the planets they visited. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Voyager missions was their trajectory. Often referred to as the Grand Tour, this trajectory was carefully planned to take advantage of the rare planetary alignment that we talked about earlier, allowing each spacecraft to use gravity assist to slingshot from one planet to the next. But beyond the technological marvels and ingenious route planning, there was another unique and profoundly human aspect to these missions, the inclusion of the golden record. But we'll delve into that later. The launch and journey began in the summer of 1977. Voyager 2 lifted off first on August 20th from Cape Canaveral, Florida, followed by Voyager 1 on September 5th. Despite launching second, Voyager 1 was on the faster trajectory and overtook Voyager 2 en route to the outer planets. Voyager 1's first destination was Jupiter, arriving in 1979. It sent back breathtaking images of the gas giant and its moons, including the first detailed images of Io's volcanic surface and Europa's cracked, icy exterior. Its finding hinted at a subsurface ocean of Europa, a discovery that has fueled interest in the moon's potential habitability to this day. Next was Saturn in 1980, where Voyager 1 observed the intricate structure of the planet's iconic rings and studied its intriguing moons, notably Titan, a moon with a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid hydrocarbons on its surface. Meanwhile, Voyager 2, on a longer trajectory, was charting its own course across the solar system. After its encounters with Jupiter in 1979 and Saturn in 1981, Voyager 2 journeyed on to become humanity's first, and so far, only, emissary to Uranus and Neptune. Its flyby of Uranus in 1986 revealed a pale blue gas giant with a highly tilted axis and complex system of thin, dark rings. Then, in 1989, Voyager 2 made its close approach to Neptune, unveiling a world of deep blue storms and high-speed winds, the fastest in the solar system. It also discovered geysers erupting from the pinkish ice of Neptune's largest moon, Triton. In their own ways, each of these encounters reshaped our understanding of the outer planets and their moons, uncovering a universe far more dynamic and varied than we had ever imagined. The golden record. As the Voyager spacecraft ventured beyond the outer planets, they carried with them a special cargo, a time capsule intended to communicate the story of our world to extraterrestrials, or future humans. This was the golden record. The golden record was a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc, encoded with the sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. Curated by a team led by famed astronomer Carl Sagan, the record contains a variety of natural sounds, such as those made by waves, wind, thunder, birds, whales, and other animals. It also included musical selections from different cultures and eras, spoken greetings in 55 ancient and modern languages, and more than 100 images depicting human life, the planet itself, and the broader solar system. As Sagan noted, the spacecraft will be encountered and the record played only if there are advanced spacefaring civilizations in interstellar space. But the launching of this bottle into the cosmic ocean says something very hopeful about life of this planet. The golden record is a testament to our hope, curiosity, and desire to make contact, to share our story with the universe, whether or not it's ever found. The record, like the Voyager missions themselves, embodies a profound message about humanity's resilience and unending, unrelenting quest to explore and understand the cosmos. The Voyager missions were originally designed to explore the outer planets, but their journey didn't end there. Once they completed their planetary tours, the Voyagers just kept going, venturing where no human-made objects had gone before, into interstellar space. Voyager 1 crossed the boundary of the heliosphere, the bubble-like region of space dominated by our sun and its solar wind, in August of 2012. It officially became the first human-made object to reach interstellar space, where the hot solar winds meet the cold, dense space between stars. This marked a monumental milestone of space exploration. Voyager 2, not too far behind, crossed this boundary in November of 2018, providing a second set of data on this uncharted territory. Now, these silent ambassadors from Earth continue their journey, traveling at over 35,000 miles an hour. Even at this impressive speed, though, it would take them another 40,000 years to pass near another star. And that just shows you how vast space is. Their power supplies will run out long before then, unfortunately, with their scientific instruments expected to shut down by 2025. Yet, even then, the Voyagers will continue their journey, carrying the golden record in the story of the small blue planet located in the quiet corner of the Milky Way galaxy. Whether or not they're ever discovered by an extraterrestrial civilization, the Voyager spacecraft will forever remain a testament to our species' insatiable curiosity and our capacity to wonder, explore, and reach beyond our perceived limitations. The Voyager missions have left an incredible mark on our understanding of the solar system. They have opened our eyes to stunning diversity of the planets and their moons. It's expanded our horizons to the edge of the sun's influence and carried a piece of us into the vast expanse of interstellar space. They've shown us erupting volcanoes on Io, a possible ocean beneath the icy surface of Europa, the ethereal beauty of Saturn's rings, and the mysterious, darkened world of Triton. They've taught us that our solar system is far more dynamic and complex than we would have ever imagined, enriching our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. As for the future, who can say what lies in store for space exploration? Perhaps, inspired by Voyager, we will see more daring missions to the outer planets and beyond. Maybe one day we'll even follow in Voyager's footsteps, venturing beyond the confines of our solar system and exploring interstellar medium ourselves. And what about the golden record? Our message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean? Will it be found one day by a distant civilization, millions of years in the future, introducing to the sounds, images, and languages of a far-off world long ago? Or might it be recovered by our descendants and put in a museum, a distant echo from their ancestors' past? The possibilities are endless, and that's the beauty of space exploration. It sparks our curiosity, fuels our imagination, and invites us to dream big. As we look to the future, let's carry with us the Voyager spirit of exploration, courage, and wonder. For as we've seen with the Voyager, when we reach the stars, there's no telling how far we'll go. From their launch in 1977 to the current journey into interstellar space, the Voyager missions have been nothing short of a cosmic odyssey. They've revolutionized our understanding of the solar system, opened our minds to awe-inspiring diversity and complexity of celestial bodies, and imbued us with a sense of shared curiosity and wonder. Today, as they journey into the vast, uncharted expanse of the interstellar space, they carry with them a record, a time capsule, a testament to us. As we wrap up this episode, we hope you've enjoyed the journey through the cosmos and it's left you with a sense of vastness of what lies beyond our own little blue dot. After all, the Voyager missions remind us that there's much more out there to explore. As Carl Sagan said, somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. So until our next episode, keep looking up, keep wondering, stay curious. The universe is full of wonders, and who knows what we'll discover next. If you like this episode of the Wondrous World, please leave a review. It would help me a lot, preferably a good one. If you know, I'm still working to improve, so maybe don't be too harsh. And follow us on Twitter at Wondrous World PC. Thanks for tuning in.